Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you are new. My name is David, and on today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a quick little bedroom tour. Yeah, it's been a while now. A lot of my plants are currently in the backyard on the bottom of a tree because they're doing really good outside. And I had a greenhouse, but if you've been subscribed, you probably know what happened to the greenhouse. It got destroyed. So yeah. So yeah, for right now they're on the bottom of a tree. They're doing perfectly okay. As a matter of fact, they're doing really good. I'm guessing because it's kind of humid outside, just a little bit more humid than it is inside, and it's pretty warm still, and they're getting a lot of bright and direct light or scattered light, so I think they're really appreciating that. But anyways, I ended up decorating some of my shelves with a little bit of fall, with some hay, I think that's what you call it, that thingy right there, and the pumpkins. I just really love the aesthetics of it. It's not that like, it's like jungly slash like fall. I really don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. If you are new, make sure you subscribe down below because I try to upload every single day, all plant related, from houseplant shopping to houseplant tours, and sometimes like top 10. It's just all like, it's all fun and good. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into the video, guys. So we're gonna start on this side. Actually, we're gonna start on this side because I always start on this side. So we're gonna start on this side of the wall, right at the very top. Oh my god, we're starting with the plant that I literally forgot. Now, I had this girly on my head. I remember what she was called, but I forgot a little bit. So I think it's in Pothos. I'm pretty sure it's in Pothos because some of the leaves are pretty big and they have like this beautiful like variegation, but I could be wrong. Now, right next to this beautiful, and I also love the pot. I got it from the 99-cent store. I believe it was like $8, and it had like 3 pots. It had the largest size, the medium size, and it had a small size, which I don't think I have. It was like this one. I also got the blue version. It was like this one, and yeah, it was really a good deal. So right next to that girly, we have this beautiful Chinese evergreen called Silver Bay. I'm literally obsessed with it, and I've seen it like a lot recently in like the big box stores for like, you know, they're pretty big, but they're really expensive, like $50, and I'm like, no. So I ended up buying this girly in a 6-inch pot at Home Depot, or I think it was Home Depot, for like $14.98. And as you guys can see, she's upgraded to like, I believe like an 8-inch now. She's in a really nice bigger pot, and she has grown a lot. Right next to that girly, we have this beautiful Sansevieria. I do love how like the top water, like the mineral deposit or like stuff like that looks in terracotta pots. I really do like it. It's like very like rustic. I don't know, I like it a lot. Some people hate it, some people love it, and I'm one of those that are obsessed with it. So yeah, a beautiful Sansevieria. Then we have this cute pumpkin that I got from HEB, and that little scarecrow thingy from, I don't know what it's called. What is it called? Do you know?
Scarecrow?
Really? No.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I got it for $1 at Dollar Tree. Yes. Okay, over here we have this beautiful Cebu Blue, which she's doing good. Oh, she's seen better days. But yeah, she's pushing out a lot of new leaves. As you guys can see, the new ones, they look a lot more shinier. Again, she is really old. She's going to be 3 years old with me, and that's insane. I'm saying like it's insane because there's still some leaves that have been with her for like, I guess 2 years already. So some of them are really old, which is kind of insane that a plant can still like hold its leaves like that, like a house plant. Excuse that, so my boyfriend's moving into bed. Yeah, so now I'm gonna start on the second shelf. We have this beautiful, by the way, all the pumpkins that I have, they're fake because I do, except this one, I really do like real pumpkins, but I want to like collect them and like use them every single year, and obviously you can't do that with the real ones. So I got this pumpkin for $6 at Walmart if anybody's interested. Here's this beautiful junky boogie philodendron. I'm honestly like obsessed with its leaves. It's just so freaking pretty, and look at the new growth. And also the funny part is, look at it. Like one side is like really pretty, the other side is like flat. That's what happens when you put like a plant against a wall. But yeah, she's just doing her damn thing. Right next to that girly, we have this beautiful Swiss cheese philodendron. I just love the holes. Like it looks really cool, and it also has like a velvet effect, which is just like stunning. She's getting pretty long. Right next to that girly, we have this beautiful Pothos and Joy Belief, or I think it's a glacier Pothos, because they look very alike, except they have like this like the other different tone. I could be wrong, but when I bought it, the label said Pothos Enjoy, so that's what I'm calling it. But if you're a Pothos expert, definitely let me know, because I really do want to know the actual name. I'm a little bit confused, but yeah, really, really cute. And she is getting really, really long. Now, next to this beautiful, I'm just so in love with the leaves, you guys. Like, I don't know why, I'm like a huge leaf person. My mother is a flower person, and let me know what type of person you are. I know there's people that are obsessed with roots, which is really, really fun, but I just love beautiful leaves. So over here we have a Sansevieria, a moonshine Sansevieria. Nothing really, I mean, she's really, really beautiful, but she has honestly not grown that much except this little pup, I guess you want to call it. It's new, it hasn't been there when I bought it, and that's just really, really fun that she's pushing out a baby. Just super, super cute. And obviously a fake pumpkin. Now over here we have this Superleaf Portals. The leaves are really, really stunning. I love the like iridescent look on it, like a velvety, I don't know like how you call it, but it looks very glittery, and I love that so freaking much. Now, one thing about this plant is it's a little bit difficult to propagate. I try to propagate it so many times and it's a little bit difficult in soil. I'm gonna try maybe in moss or in water, but with soil I don't have any luck on making more cuttings with this girly. Over here we have a, I believe it is the Berry Illusion Syngonium or Maria Syngonium. I'm pretty sure it's a Berry Illusion Syngonium, but she's doing really, really good. It's on this beautiful cheap pot, and here's a really old leaf, which is normal when that happens. You got, oh, I just ripped out the good one. I'm looking to the camera, it's a little bit hard. Okay, there we go. But yeah, she's getting really, really big, and I kind of want to give her like a big moss pole, because like I said, I know when you give like plants like a moss pole, they tend to get really, really like bigger leaves, so that's really, really fun. And then over here, oh my god, this is the string of hearts, you guys, and there's so many flowers. Israel, there's a lot of flowers. There's like 20 that I'm looking at right now, and there's like more. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, this is the string of hearts. I have propagated a lot from this girly, and there she goes. I got it from Plantarina, by the way. One of my best experience / expensive that I've ever bought plants online. But yeah, and then we have a spider plant. Nothing really special. It is really, really cute, but she's just in that dark little corner, which just proves my point, and a lot of the people says points on what they say it's a very low light plant, because it really, really is, and she's doing perfectly fine. Now over here, ignore the windows. I ended up like buying this spray paint. It's like frosted, and just for privacy. I could get curtains, but this is a little bit easier, and also like it still brings a lot of light in. Anyways, here is this beautiful philodendron micans. The leaves are just really cool. When I bought it, I think it was like $8, but it was like in a 2-inch pot, and I gave her a bigger, I think it's like this was like a 3.5 inch, and she's just doing pretty good. She's pushing out a whole new leaf. That is so exciting. This is a neon pothos, really cute. One thing that's really interesting and fascinating, which a lot of people say it's just reverting back, but I think it's really, really cool, is that it tends to it tends to like give off like a green variegation, like a darker green. Here it is. And people say that it's reverting. I don't really care what it's doing, but it's really pretty. I just love that. I love that so much. I wish there was like a neon pothos I can just like have that variegation, but fun. And then we have this beautiful nerve plant, aka Tonya. She's the most dramatic queens of them all, but she's really beautiful. I'm doing really, really good. I used to always kill these, but I found out, you know, how not to kill it, and the key is water it when it's thirsty. Obviously you guys are not gonna be like me, like killing it, because you guys are really responsible, but me, I tend to forget, especially when I have so many plants. I just get lost a little bit. Some plants get lost, But yeah, I've been like on top of this girly and she's just doing so good. Now another scarecrow, another fake squash pumpkin thingy, this hay, and then this dark raven, black raven. It's just so freaking pretty. It still hasn't pushed out any new leaves, possibly because it's on a dark spot. I'm pretty sure if I put it like in a brighter spot, it might grow and put out more leaves. But I don't know, I just like it where it's at because there's so much green. I want a little bit of like, you know, dark colors, and this is a perfect plant. But yeah, she's just super freaking pretty. Now here's another Swiss cheese plant. I think I called it philodendron. I am not sure if it's a philodendron. It has the characteristics of a philodendron, but I am not sure. But I do know it is called the Swiss cheese plant. Or Rafi, no, that's the other one. Hold on. Yeah, this is called the Swiss cheese plant. Super cute. And then I'm over Queen Pothos. Look at those leaves. Really stunning. Just beautiful. At the very top, we have an Asparagus Fern, which is funny because it's not a fern, but it looks like a fern. And I love it because ferns and we hate each other, but this girly has like just done amazing where it's at right now. She has put out so many new leaves over the growing season. This is a little bit dead because I forgot to water it because I'm a terrible person. I only forgot to water it one time and this is what happens. But it is amazing because you don't need a lot of humidity to keep it alive, from my personal experience, and that's why I love it so much. It's not like ferns that need like 100% humidity. I'm being dramatic, but yeah, just really fun. Another hay, a fake pumpkin, a black dragon Sansevieria, super cute. Another Superleaf Portals, and an alocasia. No. Ugh, I was forgetting it. People always tell me every time. I just keep forgetting to put the name down. I'm pretty sure it's an alocasia. But it's just so stunning. Look at those leaves, you guys. Wow. I don't think it's probably an Agglomenia. You know what? I'm gonna put the name on the screen because like this is just ridiculous at this point. But yes, look at those leaves, you guys. And that is it for this wall. Now we're gonna get to the other side. Alrighty, so this is my small little table where I have my other plants. This is a really pretty, I think it's called a spaghetti. It has another word on it, but spaghetti Sansevieria. A starfish Sansevieria. Beautiful. The mother of 100 or 1,000, I'm not sure, but it's one of those plants that, like, you know, each leaf she has like a lot of babies in it, which I do want to propagate some. Really fun. Variegated umbrella plant. Madagascar Drancina dragon tree, or Dracena. This beautiful calathea. I just finished cleaning its leaves. I use a leaf shiner, and a lot of people say that it's not good, but personally my plants don't really mind it, and I haven't seen any like dying plants when I use it on my plants. And I really love how it makes the leaves look. I always get like a lot of compliments on my plants when I use a leaf shiner because it looks really stunning. If you guys are interested in it, I'll make sure to leave it in the description box below so you guys can go and check it out. It's from Amazon, but you can also get it from like Lowe's and like the other stores. But yeah, I have it linked below so you guys can go and check it out. Another fun thing about this beautiful calathea is the back of its leaves. Look at that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And then a variegated peace lily, aka domino peace lily, that has been in bloom for like the longest time. It's already been a month. And yeah, look at this new leaf that's popping up. Beautiful. Look at this other one. Oh my god. I just love variegated plants. They're just so stunning. Honestly. And then here is a peperonia. It has a lot of mineral deposits or hard water stains. I'm gonna leave shiner maybe in a bit or never, but I'll try to get to it because I know it will look amazing with a little bit of leaf shiner. I just love its variegation. But yeah, that is it for this table. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. So this is Houseplant tour of the bedroom. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!